From as early as 4 a.m., angry residents of Border in Reeston, Kukombo, took to the streets, blocking the main road with burning materials. Residents say they are now in their third week without electricity, while also experiencing daily water cuts and overflowing sewage in the streets. Community members Sinetemba Masangwana and Lutolwe Tukari say living under these conditions has become unbearable.
Into ye-sewage ke sisiwam kudala beyihambela abahlali balapha ezantsi because ubutyobyo xa ungena ngapha bukhona phaa buninzi apha ezantsi. Yi-sewage ephumayo and then i-affecta abantwana bethu.
It's been 2 weeks now, almost 3 weeks without electricity. And Umasipala is giving us excuses after excuses. They come here and then they fix the electricity and it goes off again.
Akona Speaker, who has had sewage spilling in front of her home since October last year, says the situation has created unhealthy living conditions for her household and children who play outside.
Sindichaphazela kakubi kakhulu laa meko iphaya kulaa yadi because uyayibona i-sewage iyazihambela kubi nje, then kukho abantwana nabasesitratweni bayadlala bagqitha phaa, abanye bayanyathela. Though ingapha apha isitishi silapha eyadini kubi nje kubi, especially kwamaxesha funeka sivalile emnyango.
After more than 7 hours of waiting for feedback from municipal officials, the MMC of Water and Sanitation, Ninawa Nyusila, arrived with his team to inspect the area. Officials immediately repaired 2 damaged transformers believed to have caused the electricity outage. However, the MMC says the solution may only be temporary due to illegal electricity connections in nearby informal settlements, placing strain on the system.
Which is an issue that we are always raising as the city, of illegal connections to our water system, to our electricity system. Even here, when you look at this transformer only covered 50 houses, and there are more than 50 houses in the area. So you will have this consistent or continuous breakdowns of this transformer. That's what I was trying to explain to our community.
The MMC says the municipality will meet with the Spatial Planning Directorate to discuss possible solutions to the challenges caused by overcrowding and pressure on the area's water and electricity infrastructure. For MPK TV News, I'm Nandi Pamestile in Kukombo.